Deep in the Amazon basin, a shiver runs down your spine. It's not the humid air or the rustling leaves. It's the thought of sharp teeth and a feeding frenzy. Piranhas. The name alone conjures images of a chaotic swarm, devouring anything in their path. These fish have a fearsome reputation, often portrayed as relentless killing machines in movies. But how much of this is true? What is the reality of these fascinating creatures? Join us as we journey into the heart of piranha territory. We'll separate fact from fiction, exploring their lives and behaviors. Get ready to uncover the truth about these much-maligned river predators. Let's dive in. Piranhas inhabit the warm freshwater rivers and streams of South America. Imagine a world of murky water, sunlight barely reaching the bottom. Fallen trees and dense vegetation provide hiding spots for both prey and predator. The Amazon River basin is their most famous home, but these adaptable fish also thrive in other river systems across the continent, including the Orinoco and Parana. Some species prefer slow-moving backwaters, others inhabit fast-flowing rapids. No matter the location, piranhas seek out areas with plenty of cover and a steady food supply. Life in these waters is a constant battle for survival. Piranhas may be small, but they are perfectly designed for their predatory lifestyle. Their bodies are typically compressed and powerful, allowing for rapid bursts of speed. Their most recognizable feature is their teeth. Sharp, triangular, and razor-sharp, these teeth are perfect for tearing flesh. They are constantly replaced throughout a piranha's life, ensuring they always have a fresh set of weapons. Their coloration varies between species, often providing camouflage in their murky environment. Some have bright red bellies, while others sport silver scales that shimmer like underwater jewels. Don't underestimate these fish. Their physical adaptations make them formidable hunters in the underwater world. Gap 3S. Piranhas have a fascinating reproductive process. During the breeding season, males create nests in the riverbed by clearing away debris. Females lay their eggs in these nests and males fertilize them. The parents guard the eggs fiercely until they hatch, ensuring the survival of the next generation. This chapter will explore the intricacies of piranha reproduction, from nest building to hatching. The male's dedication to nest preparation and protection is crucial, as it ensures the eggs remain safe from predators. Once hatched, the tiny piranhas are left to fend for themselves, beginning their journey in the perilous waters of the Amazon. Gap 3S piranhas are not the solitary hunters they are often portrayed as. They exhibit complex social behaviors, including schooling and cooperative hunting. This chapter will delve into the social dynamics of piranha groups, their communication methods, and how they maintain order within their schools. Piranhas form schools that can range from just a few individuals to hundreds. Within these schools, there is a clear social hierarchy. Dominant individuals take on leadership roles, guiding the group and making decisions about when and where to hunt. Communication is key to their survival. Piranhas use a combination of body language and chemical signals to convey messages. For example, a piranha might change its swimming pattern or release pheromones to alert others of a nearby threat or food source. Cooperative hunting is another fascinating aspect of their behavior. When targeting larger prey, piranhas work together, coordinating their attacks to maximize efficiency and success. This level of cooperation ensures that all members of the school get a share of the food, maintaining the group's cohesion and strength. Understanding these social behaviors sheds light on the true nature of piranhas. Far from being mindless predators, they are intelligent, organized creatures with complex social structures that play a vital role in their survival. Piranhas have been the subject of many myths and misconceptions. From exaggerated tales of their ferocity to misunderstandings about their behavior, this chapter will debunk common myths and provide a clearer understanding of these misunderstood creatures. One of the most prevalent myths is that piranhas are relentless man-eaters. While it's true that they have sharp teeth and powerful jaws, attacks on humans are extremely rare. In fact, piranhas are more likely to flee from humans than to attack them. They are generally shy and will only resort to biting if they feel threatened or provoked. Another common misconception is that piranhas are always in a feeding frenzy, ready to devour anything that enters their waters. In reality, feeding frenzies are rare and usually occur when food is scarce and the piranhas are extremely hungry. Most of the time, piranhas feed calmly and selectively, often scavenging for food rather than actively hunting. There is also a belief that all piranhas are aggressive and dangerous. However, there are over 30 different species of piranhas, and not all of them are carnivorous. Some species are omnivores, feeding mainly on plants and fruits that fall into the water. These peaceful piranhas play a vital role in their ecosystem by helping to disperse seeds and maintain plant diversity. By debunking these myths, we can gain a more accurate and nuanced understanding of piranhas. Far from being the mindless killing machines of popular culture, they are complex creatures with fascinating behaviors and important roles in their ecosystems. Piranha conservation, Gap 3S. Despite their fearsome reputation, piranhas play a crucial role in their ecosystems. This chapter will discuss the importance of piranhas in maintaining ecological balance, the threats they face from habitat destruction and overfishing, and the efforts being made to conserve their populations. Piranhas are vital to the health of freshwater ecosystems. As both predators and scavengers, they help control the population of other species, preventing any single group from becoming too dominant. This balance ensures that the ecosystem remains diverse and resilient. However, like many species, piranhas are facing significant threats. Habitat destruction, often due to deforestation and pollution, is reducing the areas where piranhas can live and breed. Overfishing is another critical issue, as piranhas are often caught for their meat and for the aquarium trade. These pressures are causing declines in some piranha populations, which could have cascading effects on their ecosystems. Conservation efforts are now underway to protect piranha habitats and regulate fishing practices. Initiatives include creating protected areas, restoring damaged ecosystems, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. Education and outreach programs are also helping to change public perceptions of piranhas, highlighting their ecological importance rather than their fearsome image. By understanding and addressing the challenges that piranhas face, we can help ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive and play their essential role in the environment. Piranhas in popular culture, Gap 3S. Piranhas have captured the imagination of people around the world, appearing in movies, books, and folklore. This chapter will explore the portrayal of piranhas in popular culture, how these depictions have shaped public perception, and the impact of these portrayals on piranha conservation efforts. From the terrifying scenes in classic horror films to the exaggerated tales in adventure novels, piranhas are often depicted as mindless, ferocious killers. These portrayals, while thrilling, have significantly influenced how the general public views these fascinating fish. The image of a ravenous school of piranhas stripping flesh from bones in seconds is a powerful one, but it is far from the reality of their behavior in the wild. In literature, piranhas are frequently used as symbols of danger lurking beneath the surface, adding an element of suspense and mystery to the narrative. Folklore, especially in regions where piranhas are native, often includes stories and myths that paint them as formidable predators, sometimes even attributing supernatural qualities to them. While these depictions have cemented piranhas' place in popular culture, they have also contributed to widespread fear and misunderstanding. This can have negative consequences for piranha conservation efforts. When people view piranhas as dangerous pests rather than important components of their ecosystems, there is less support for measures to protect them and their habitats. However, recent efforts in media and education are working to change this perception. Documentaries and educational programs are highlighting the ecological importance of piranhas and presenting a more balanced view of their behavior. By shifting the narrative from fear to fascination, we can foster a greater appreciation for these misunderstood creatures and support the conservation initiatives that are crucial for their survival. Beyond their sharp teeth, piranhas have a range of anatomical features that make them effective predators. This chapter will provide an in-depth look at the anatomy of piranhas, including their sensory organs, muscular structure, and unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environments. Piranhas possess incredibly sharp teeth that are perfectly aligned to create a scissor-like cutting action, enabling them to efficiently slice through the flesh of their prey. Their jaws are extremely powerful, capable of exerting enough force to crush bones. But their predatory prowess doesn't end with their teeth. Piranhas have highly developed sensory organs that allow them to detect vibrations and chemical changes in the water, helping them locate prey even in murky conditions. Their lateral line system, a series of sensory cells along their sides, is particularly sensitive to movement and pressure changes, giving them an edge in hunting. Muscularly, piranhas are built for bursts of speed. Their streamlined bodies and strong, flexible muscles allow them to dart quickly through the water, making short, sharp attacks on their prey before retreating to safety. Additionally, piranhas have a unique swim bladder that helps them maintain buoyancy and stability in the water, allowing them to hover effortlessly while they survey their surroundings for potential food sources. These anatomical features, combined with their social hunting strategies, make piranhas some of the most efficient and adaptive predators in the aquatic world. Understanding these physical characteristics not only reveals the complexity of their behavior, but also highlights the evolutionary marvels that have allowed piranhas to thrive in the diverse and challenging environments of the Amazon basin. Gap3SS. Piranhas have a long evolutionary history that has shaped their current form and behavior. This chapter will trace the evolutionary journey of piranhas from their ancient ancestors to the modern species we see today, highlighting key adaptations and evolutionary milestones. The story of piranha evolution begins millions of years ago in the prehistoric rivers of South America. Fossil records show that early piranhas were significantly different from the fearsome fish we know today. These ancient ancestors were primarily herbivorous, feeding on plant material and detritus. Over time, changing environmental conditions and the availability of diverse prey led to significant evolutionary changes. One of the most crucial adaptations in piranha evolution was the development of their iconic razor-sharp teeth. This shift allowed them to exploit new food sources, including other fish and small animals. Their powerful jaws and specialized teeth became essential tools for survival, enabling them to efficiently capture and process their prey. Another key evolutionary milestone was the development of their highly sensitive sensory organs. These adaptations gave piranhas the ability to detect minute vibrations and chemical signals in the water, making them formidable hunters even in the murky waters of the Amazon basin. Their lateral line system in particular became more refined, allowing them to detect subtle changes in their environment and react swiftly to potential threats or opportunities. Genetic studies have revealed that modern piranhas are the result of a complex evolutionary process involving multiple species and hybridization events. This genetic diversity has contributed to their adaptability and resilience in various habitats across South America. Understanding the evolutionary journey of piranhas not only sheds light on their current behavior and anatomy, but also underscores the intricate processes that have shaped one of nature's most efficient predators. The combination of ancient traits and modern adaptations makes piranhas a fascinating subject for evolutionary biologists and a testament to the power of natural selection. Piranhas and humans have a complex relationship. This chapter will explore the various ways in which piranhas interact with humans, from being a source of fear and fascination to their role in local economies and ecosystems. Gap2S. Historically, piranhas have been both feared and misunderstood. Tales of their ferocity have often overshadowed the reality of their interactions with humans. While it is true that piranhas can be aggressive, especially when their territory is invaded or their food supply is threatened, attacks on humans are relatively rare and often exaggerated in popular media. Gap2S. In many parts of South America, piranhas are an important part of local economies. They are fished for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some regions. Piranha fishing is not only a source of food, but also a vital part of the cultural heritage for many communities living along the Amazon and its tributaries. Gap2S. Piranhas also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of freshwater ecosystems. By preying on weak or sick fish, they help control fish populations and prevent the spread of disease. This natural balance is essential for the biodiversity of the Amazon basin. Gap2S. For those who encounter piranhas in the wild, it is important to follow safety guidelines. Avoid swimming in areas known to be populated by piranhas, especially during dry seasons when food is scarce and they become more aggressive. If you must enter the water, do so cautiously and avoid making sudden movements that might attract their attention. Gap2S. Understanding the true nature of piranhas can help dispel myths. and promote a more balanced view of these fascinating creatures. By respecting their role in the ecosystem and taking appropriate precautions, humans and piranhas can coexist peacefully. Gap 2S. This complex relationship between humans and piranhas reminds us that even the most feared creatures have an important place in our world, contributing to the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Gap 3S scientific research has provided valuable insights into the behavior, biology, and ecology of piranhas. This chapter will highlight some of the most significant discoveries in piranha research, the methods used by scientists to study these fish, and the ongoing efforts to learn more about them. Gap 2S. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in recent years is the understanding of piranha vocalizations. Researchers have found that piranhas communicate using a series of grunts, clicks, and hums, which are believed to play a role in social interactions and establishing dominance within their groups. This discovery has opened up new avenues for studying piranha behavior and social structures. Gap 2S. Another significant area of research is the study of piranha dentition. Scientists have discovered that piranhas have a unique mechanism for replacing their teeth. Unlike most fish, which replace individual teeth as they wear out, piranhas replace entire sections of their teeth in a synchronized manner. This adaptation ensures that they always have a functional set of razor-sharp teeth, crucial for their survival. Gap 2S. The use of advanced technology, such as underwater drones and high-resolution imaging, has allowed researchers to observe piranhas in their natural habitats with minimal disturbance. These tools have provided unprecedented insights into piranha hunting strategies, mating behaviors, and territorial disputes. Gap 2S. Ongoing research is also focused on the ecological role of piranhas in the Amazon basin. By studying their interactions with other species and their impact on fish populations, scientists are gaining a better understanding of how piranhas contribute to the health and stability of their ecosystems. These studies are essential for developing effective conservation strategies and ensuring the long-term survival of piranha populations. Gap 2S. The discoveries made through piranha research not only enhance our knowledge of these fascinating creatures, but also underscore the importance of preserving their habitats. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of piranhas, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and interconnectedness of the natural world. Gap 2S. The ongoing efforts of scientists and researchers play a crucial role in promoting a balanced and informed perspective on piranhas, helping to dispel myths and foster a greater respect for these remarkable fish. Gap 3S. Piranhas are highly adaptable creatures, capable of surviving in a range of environmental conditions. This chapter will examine how piranhas adapt to changes in their habitats, such as fluctuations in water levels, temperature, and food availability, and the strategies they use to thrive in dynamic ecosystems. Gap 2S. In the Amazon basin, where seasonal changes can be extreme, piranhas have developed remarkable resilience. During the rainy season, when rivers swell and flood surrounding areas, piranhas spread out to explore new territories and exploit the abundance of food. They take advantage of the increased cover and new prey opportunities provided by the flooded forests and grasslands. Gap 2S. Conversely, in the dry season, when water levels recede and resources become scarce, piranhas display a different set of behaviors. They congregate in deeper pools and channels where water remains available. During these times, their diet shifts to whatever is accessible, including plant material, smaller fish, and even carrion. This dietary flexibility is key to their survival during lean periods. Gap 2S. Temperature fluctuations also play a significant role in piranha behavior. Piranhas are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is regulated by their environment. In cooler waters, their metabolic rate slows down, leading to reduced activity and slower digestion. Conversely, in warmer waters, their metabolism speeds up, increasing their need for food and driving more aggressive hunting behaviors. Gap 2S. Another fascinating adaptation is their ability to tolerate low oxygen levels. In stagnant or oxygen-poor waters, piranhas can survive by slowing their metabolism and reducing their activity levels. This ability to endure hypoxic conditions allows them to inhabit a wide range of aquatic environments, from fast-flowing rivers to still, murky ponds. Gap 2S. The adaptability of piranhas is a testament to their evolutionary success. By understanding how these fish respond to environmental changes, scientists can gain insights into the resilience of aquatic ecosystems and the importance of preserving habitat diversity. Gap 2. As climate change and human activities continue to impact natural habitats, the adaptability of piranhas serves as a reminder of the complex interplay between species and their environments. Protecting these dynamic ecosystems is crucial for ensuring the survival of not just piranhas, but countless other species that rely on them. Gap 2S. The adaptability of piranhas highlights their role as both survivors and key players in the intricate web of life that sustains the Amazon basin. Piranhas are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet is surprisingly diverse, consisting of fish, insects, crustaceans, and even small mammals or birds that fall into the water. They often hunt in groups, using a combination of speed and sharp teeth to overwhelm their prey. The frenzy we often see in movies is not entirely inaccurate. When a large food source is available, piranhas can become very aggressive and competitive. However, these feeding frenzies are not mindless chaos. Piranhas have a hierarchy within their groups, with larger, more dominant individuals getting first pickings. Their diet and hunting strategies are crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem.